Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the tracker in DaVinci Resolve. We'll begin by understanding the fundamental purpose of tracking, which allows you to isolate and follow specific elements within your footage. You'll learn how to navigate to the tracker module, typically found on the Color or Fusion page, and identify the various tracking types available, such as point, planar, and perspective tracking. This foundational knowledge is crucial for achieving precise visual effects and motion graphics in your projects. Next, let's set up your track. First, select the specific clip in your timeline that contains the object you wish to track. Then, draw a power window or a custom shape around that object, ensuring it tightly encompasses the area of interest. It's important to adjust the tracker settings, such as the motion type like translation, rotation, or scale, and the search area, to optimize accuracy and efficiency for your particular shot. This preparation ensures a more successful tracking result. Now it's time to perform and refine the track. Once your window is set, initiate the tracking process, either forward or backward, depending on your starting point. After the initial pass, carefully review the generated tracking data for any inconsistencies, drifts, or areas where the tracker might have lost its target. If needed, you can manually adjust individual tracking points frame by frame to correct any errors, ensuring a perfectly stable and accurate track throughout your entire clip. Finally, let's apply your track data. With a successful track, you can now connect this data to a new node, enabling you to apply various effects or stabilization. This allows you to seamlessly integrate elements like blurring faces, adding text overlays, or inserting images that precisely follow the motion of your tracked object. Once satisfied, export your final video, showcasing your professional-grade tracking effects. This powerful tool opens up a world of creative possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.